let's do a half moon pose. So a good starting position for this one is triangle pose. And what I like to do as I come into half moon, I like to take that top arm and rest it on the hip until I get my balance. I'm going to bend into the front leg. So my right foot is here in this case. I'll take the right hand in front, bringing it about 6 inches in front of the foot. I'm going to bring the left foot forward, so I'll hop forwards here. Front leg is bent to begin with, bringing all of the weight to the right foot. And I'm going to straighten that right leg as I lift the left leg up. So bringing that left leg parallel with the floor. The foot's going to be facing to the side, so it's not internally rotated or externally rotated. Just pointing to the side, parallel with the floor. When you get your balance here, you could add in the left hand, reaching it upwards. So in this half moon pose, the hips are in a stacked position. So you're not dropping down towards the floor. That would be more like a warrior tree pose. Externally rotate, stacking the hips. Shoulders are also in a stacked position. And then to exit the pose, I would do that in reverse, bringing the left hand to the hip, bending the right leg, softly planting the left foot, coming back upright. So I'll give a side view of what that would look like. I'll do the other side to balance things out. In yoga, as much as possible, you want to balance left and right. So from triangle pose, shifting forwards. So this left hand that comes in front of the foot about 6 inches, and it also goes a little bit to the side of the foot, so it's not directly in line. Fingers could be pointed forwards, or you could turn the fingers out to the side, and that'll help with your balance a little more. Straightening my left leg in this case, bringing the right leg parallel with the floor. Then I'll add in the right hand, reaching it upwards. Hips are stacked. I'm externally rotating the torso. Shoulders also stacked. You could look to the side, or to challenge your balance, you could look up to the top hand. Or another option is just to look down at the floor. So some modifications you could take. Let's see, I'll come here. You could put a block under that bottom hand to help elevate you. And you could also do this pose up against a wall to help you with your balance. So you could imagine here I have a block under the hand, and I'm up against a wall. So here the hand could be flat. You could come onto the fingertips. If you want to challenge your balance, you could try lifting the hand. And that's half moon pose.